Yo YouTube, what is up and welcome back. Today I've got some garage science for you guys. So if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I put a different tire on the back of the KTM and I run mooses in the back. So what happens sometimes if you use hand tools to change a tire with a moose, you get stuck with a wheel that isn't beaded properly. As you can see there in that section, it didn't bead there and on this side as well. So the idea is, well, I saw this idea on the internet. So you loosen the bead lock, you start the bike and you put it in the top gear and then you give it a fistful of gas, and apparently the centrifugal force of the tire spinning will make the tire bead. I'm not too sure if it's going to work, but we are going to find out together. So I am going to loosen the bead lock, throw on some boots, start the bike, and then we'll see what happens. Probably not the safest thing, but yeah, let's try it. Alright, so after several attempts I made some good headway. So the tire is beaded all the way on the right hand side, and on the left it is beaded most of the way except for that small section right there. So that part's really being stubborn, and I tried several different things, but no success. So I think one thing that'll maybe work is just with time, if I ride it, it'll just pop into place. It is a used tire, so the tire is a bit softer, so I don't know if that's maybe a factor, but yeah, I think that will be it. So before I close out this video, I want to ask you guys, so I had a look at the YouTube analytics and 84% of my viewers are not subscribed. So, you know, I want to grow this channel into something a bit bigger, and I want to start to try and see if I can attract companies to work with the channel. And the only way that is possible is if you guys help me out. So in the bottom left corner of the screen there should be a watermark. You can click on that and subscribe, or underneath in the description area you can also hit subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and it would go a long way to help the channel. And who knows, maybe if the channel starts growing, I can give something back to you guys. So please hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with videos. Peace out and keep ripping.